Unang ke All India Congress Committee beripek ke Kongres Hamekaya Dr. Aicc Kumar ula keno bahkan ke Sorkar kebayalam ke NPP ke jing Kharoi Khniang jingpang HIV kalong ke Sorkar haduk kata-kata habakren tak sengi hasilong Dr. Aicc Kumar ulong ba ke jing don gibre ke Sorkar Khniang jingpang HIV hakan ke Sorkar haduk bayalam ke NPP ke kiu laki-laka haduk kumba 10% tam bat kalong ke Sorkar Henry om Tang kata hakachika bante lakam yo Drok kani ke Sorkar NPP kaya snok tilang ru bat ki mafia ban penia yo Drok bean Aicc Kumar lo keno ro kani ke Sorkar kelaluti ya ke Pisa ki pajba hakachika ban pej ban wanra jing bha jing met ki pajba bat ka Thied do ya ki MLA da ke Pisa jong pajba ha ka juga polong ke parti kamsali ya ya ki tu ki MLA ki bapet na ke parti nama baga parti kongres kamsiani hagi riusimet ndai kasiani hagi pajba nama kongres kam Thied yagi briu kumbale Kiwei kiseng sang partai ula pring subha yau senit sang ma seka kongres haka jingwan pa yang bat Kiwei pat kinongilam gi pakentup ru yu ba prostas na nong po bat Kiwei pan.
Under the NPP government, the HIV affected people's number has gone up like unimaginable. More than 10% of the people of Meghalaya got affected with the HIV. It is a very shocking. One of the reasons behind is the drug bans. The government is not taking a serious steps to control the drug mafia. Instead of controlling, they are also hand in glove with the drug mafia. See, any government, it is for the people's welfare. People electing a public representative to serve them and also to look after their welfare. But because of the failures of the governance of the state government, they are only looking into how to swindle the public money and also how to earn illegally to develop their wealth. By throwing money, they are thinking they can purchase the elected representatives, whichever the party they got the thing, I will do. But by throwing money, they are literally purchasing the people and strengthening their government. So this is the sad part that is going on in the state of Meghalaya. So the Congress Party's executive committee meeting, we discussed about these subjects, and now we will take up these issues and we will fight against the ruling government. Some of the MLAs might have left the Congress Party. We are not bothered about it because Congress Party is not dependent on some individuals. So many senior leaders left the Congress, but today where they are, it is a $1 million question. Everybody knows about it. But we as a Congress members, our workers, our district Congress Committee presidents, state office bearers, block presidents, they are very confident that they will strengthen the Congress Party, rejuvenate the organization, and we will win the 2028 Assembly election. In between, the Khniang Hills election is coming up in the next year. So there, definitely, we are very confident that definitely we will win that election also. So anything else?
Thank you.
See, Congress party always looks into the interest of the nation. Nation first, then the party. So, if someone realized their mistakes, if they really want to serve the people of the nation, they are most welcome. But we are not here to purchase anybody like the other political party. There is no price for any individual. By accepting the principles of the Congress party, anybody can welcome, anybody can join the Congress party.
Well, since
Is it a closed chapter that you will not change Vincent Pala?
Do you find any vacancy here? Now there is no vacancy.
There's no vacancy, but what about the party?
Vincent Pala is the
caucus?
president, PCC
but
president.
Congress never had a vacancy. Congress created vacancy. So whether after losing so many, Congress has lost so many MLAs have actually gone from the party.
That is your
See,
calculation.
Because somebody left Congress party, it doesn't mean that it is a failure of her leadership. If somebody is greedy, what can we do? We are not here to fix a price for some individuals. So, the journalism, you people have to correct the system of the politics. If somebody sold their people's verdict, it is the journalist has to highlight that. Pala is a loyal congressman, dedicated congressman. He served as a minister in the union government. He is working hard as a PCC president. Today also, everybody has seen people who left Congress also coming back, and people who served the state in the NGO, as a NGO or different field, they are also coming back and joining the Congress. They are accepting the leadership of Vincent Pala. But in between, due to some reason, he left Congress for a short period of time, and now he realized at the larger interest of the nation and to keep the secular principle of the nation, only Congress party can do better. Congress party is the only political party in this country that will uphold the constitution of the nation. So I welcome him with the wholehearted. All India Congress Committee President Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge ji has accepted his admission in the Congress party. Same way, I welcome the other dignitaries, Mr. Lionel and Plaster. Mr. Plaster, as you all know, he was a very honest police officer who served many decades in this for the welfare of the people of the state. So he, after resigning from the job, he wants to serve for the state, people of the state and for the nation. For that, he finally chosen Congress party is the only political party can do better for the future of the state. So I welcome all of them and many people from the ruling side also and the other political parties. They have already conveyed their willingness to join back to Congress party. So in a course of time, one by one, we will definitely admit the time we all will come to know it.